Hello everyone. In my last video, I have already covered about subset and proper subset. In this video, we will talk about meaning of superset and also the meaning of the proper superset. So first of all, if it is superset, okay. So superset is the reverse of subset, exactly opposite or reverse. You can say that. That means a set x1, a set x1 is considered as superset of another set which is x2 if x1 contains if x1 contains all the elements of x2. It is exactly reverse. So we'll write one simple example. That suppose if I have x1 equal, so I'm not in the next line, we will write x1 equal to, okay, and we'll write for example 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, and then we will write x2 is equal to, okay, so we have one more curly bracket, so for example 1 comma 3 or 1 comma 2, not 1 comma 3. Okay, so now again coming back to the definition of this, x1 is the superset of x2. When you can say that statement, when x1 contains all the elements of x2. So right now in x2 we have 1 comma 3 and the same two elements are there in 1 comma 3, then we can say x1 is superset of x2. So now how to check? Using the print statement we can check print x1 dot is superset and x2. Control S and let's check the output of this. See, yes, it is superset. And same way the definition and meaning of proper superset also will remain same. That means proper superset is same as superset only, but only one condition, sorry, two condition. First condition, if x1 contains all elements, that is this condition first, and second, x1 and x2 are not equal. So total two condition, then you can say it is a proper superset. So again we will write this only, and instead of this we will use now greater than sign. See, first condition, x1 contains all the elements of x2. So in x2 1 comma 3, so it is there in x1. The first condition is done. And second, x1 and x2 are not equal. So obviously they are not equal. Now let us check the output of this. See, it is showing true for this part and there is one more true for this part. But if I change something like this, control S, see, we are getting answer is what? False. Why we are getting answer as false? Because x1 and x2 are equal. In this case, they are equal. That's why we are getting answer as what? False. So for greater than sign, that means superset, proper superset, and less than sign, it is for proper subset. Thank you, everyone.